Is your iPhone speaker not working during calls? Fret not. In this video, we've got the ultimate fixes to bring it back to life. The speaker grill on your iPhone is a magnet for dust and lint. Begin by delicately cleaning it with a soft brush or a microfiber cloth. This simple step should work wonders in boosting your volume levels. If cleaning falls short, here's the jack-of-all-trades move. Restart your iPhone. A quick reboot should work its magic and restore speaker volumes. Press and hold the power button and volume up button to turn off your iPhone. Then power it back on after a few seconds. Another way is to reset all the settings on your iPhone. Navigate to Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode to proceed. If all else fails, there might be a chance of physical damage to the speaker. Head to the Apple Store and let an Apple expert handle the work. These hacks are sure to work like magic for you. Ready for more tech tips? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos for an extra dose of tech enjoyment.